everyone, it's Rachel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make this kawaii bunny holding a carrot. So thank you so much to the people who suggested this charm on my community post, and without further ado, let's get started. So to begin, I took some white polymer clay to use for the bunny's body, and I rolled a piece into a ball for the head. Next, for the body, I took a smaller ball of clay and rolled this into a cone shape. I then cut off the very tip with my blade and then joined the two together. Also use one of your tools to blend the edges down, and I decided to use my needle tool. I then started on the ears by taking two even sized balls of white clay and rolling these into longer teardrop shapes. I flattened these down gently onto my work surface and then did the same thing with some pink clay, which I then added on top of the white clay. Trim off the very ends and then position them onto your bunny's head. If you're wanting to make a floppy ear, then you can gently pull the clay to make it slightly longer and then just fold over the top before adding it to your charm. Moving on to the face, I started off by making some indents where I wanted the eyes to go. I then rolled two balls of brown clay and added these inside the indents. Mouth, I created two thin U shapes and attached them side by side, and then finally for the cheeks I used two small balls of pink clay. Next, I decided to make the feet, which are pretty much just miniature versions of the ears, so I began rolling some white clay into teardrop shapes. I then added the pink clay on top and then attached them to the body. Carrot, use some orange clay and shape it how you like. Take a needle tool and then gently push the clay to create some little indents on the front. I also added a round indent to the very top of the carrot, which will help to hold in the leaves. So for the leaves, I used some light green clay and shaped them by pinching one end and then creating an indent down the center using my needle tool. I made 3 of these and then added them together in a little bunch before attaching them to the carrot. Then just go ahead and place the carrot onto the front of the body. For the arms, take some more of your base colour and roll out 2 little teardrop shapes. Then simply attach one onto each side of the body so that it looks like the bunny is holding the carrot. Detail to add is the tail, which you can make using some of your base colour and then also texture it if you like to make it look fluffy, and I decided to use a dotting tool for this. Then go ahead and add an eye pin if you want to make it into a charm, and then bake it in your oven according to your package's instructions. After baking, I then secured the eye pin with some super glue and then also added a coat of my UV resin as a glaze for extra protection and shine. And there you have it. That is everything for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more, and I'll see you next time. Bye guys. Here are a bunch of charms made by you guys that have been inspired by my tutorials or just my creations in any way. If you make your very own kawaii bunny and carrot charm, be sure to tag me on Instagram or Crafty Amino and use the hashtag RachieH96 so I can see it and then feature it in an upcoming video.